Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these moist orange cakes. First, start by adding some of the orange zest. When you're finished, cut the orange in half and squeeze the orange juice out into another bowl. Put that aside and add half a cup of melted butter to the orange zest. One teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of milk and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now save 2 tablespoons of the orange juice for the cream and add the rest to the dough and mix it. Once all the sugar is dissolved, add 1½ cup of flour and mix it. Once mixed well, pour that into your baking tin and bake it for 30 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. When it's done, shake that it's baked by putting a knife through it, and if it comes out clean, it means it's ready. Now for the topping, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 80 grams of golden syrup. Now add the 2 tablespoons of orange juice that you saved from before and start mixing. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it. Once it's mixed well, add another tablespoon of flour and start mixing again. Once that's mixed, add another tablespoon of flour for the third and last time. Now your cream is ready, gently pour it onto your cake. Thank you all for watching. You'll find the full ingredient list and measurements down in the description box. If you liked the video, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications. See you all next time.